the World Health Organization is indicating that late-stage diagnosis and weak and inadequate infrastructure have led breast cancer mortality in Africa to be the highest in the world. This comes despite Africa recording the lowest indicators or indices of breast cases. According to the data from WHO, 49% of breast cancer cases result in death. In Ghana, the situation is alarming. Out of more than 5,000 cases recorded annually, nearly half of over 2,300 women die. With only 6 cancer treatment centers nationwide, access to care remains a challenge for thousands of women, especially those who cannot afford private treatments. On your screen now is the data that we'll just be showing you. 2.3 million cases annually. This is the global figures, and of course 660,000 as well globally deaths, and that is 28%, a little over 28% of the global figures that we're rolling on your screen now. And as well, the Africa figures as well is 146,000 cases annually, and for deaths as well for Africa, the figures that come in from Africa is a little over 71,000 deaths as well, which is 49% of the total cases annually, 146,000 also on your screen now, and that's how the numbers are quite high in Africa. And as well, the breast cancer figures as well, Africa figures, cases on high mortality. And here's what we've been finding: late detection and diagnosis, weak health infrastructure, which we have been telling you, is one of the causes that's leading to the numbers that we're as well recording in Africa particularly. Also, for the mortality in Ghana, which should be an area of concern for you and I, of breast cancer cases resulting in death is 47%. So if the number of total persons who report to the hospitals, out of that we have 47% of that resulting in mortality. And as well, now as well, for breast cancer in Ghana cases and deaths together, the cases in 2022, a little over 5,000 cases in 2022. And you notice that as well in 2022, a little over 2,000 resulted in death in 2022. That's 2,369. And here is the graph. For breast cancer diseases in Ghana, the annual cases, top 5 cancers. Here is it, breast cancer seems to be leading with a little over 5,000, and after that will be liver cases, a little over 3,000, cervix as well, a little over 3,000, and prostate as well, a little over 2,000, and the others 1,347. But the crux of this matter is that over 5,000, when you take top 5 cancer cases in this country, out of that, 5,000 of them is breast cancer, and that's how we've been bringing you the data of that. But on this.